Okay, here we are. We're back. And this is the portable hydrofacial 6-in-1 machine review part 7. I know these reviews are pretty long, but hey, you guys be surprised how many people contact me through email, telephone call, carrier pigeon, text, damn near show up at my place of business just to ask a question and not get a service. I'm like, dang, you drove from where to just ask? Yo, pick up a phone. Like, everybody has a phone. But hey, we're doing these videos so we can do it step by step and show you guys how I actually use all of the instruments on my hydrofacial machine. Now, keep in mind, not everybody's going to use all 6 instruments. You can. There's nothing wrong with that. But let's just say somebody like her, she has perfect skin. She doesn't even need microcurrent to keep up her elasticity in her skin. Her fibroblast cells in her face, her elastin is perfect. She's useful. Even though she's at 31 years old, I'm like, wow, you in your teens. Like, she's great. So people like this, you don't need to use much, but maybe the skin scrubber, the sprayer, the facial wand, yes, for the hydrofacial machine. And that was all I would really use on her if I'm going to use my machine. But I'm showing you all 6 machines and how they work, all 6 treatments. So if you do have somebody who has combination skin to normal skin to oily skin, whatever it is, you can use all of them and what they're used for. This one is skin tightening. Remember, it's micro current. In between those 2 conductors or those little balls, the grounding wire is inside. You just can't see it, or you're actually the grounding yourself. You're using electrodes, which is in each little ball. One's a negative, one's a positive. Sometimes they can be 2 negatives and there's a positive charge on the inside that counteracts both of them. But this one is a negative and a positive. And just like 2 magnets, one repels, one attracts, and you're pulling, like, your blood loves to be pulled. That's why when you see like a golden facial or somebody that uses like a gold instrument, unless it's real gold, oh yeah, the iron in our blood moves. It will move. And for healing, we need our blood to move. That's why we use certain instruments. And so that microcurrent just tightens up the face. Workout for the face, like I said. It's amazing. I like it. It's a little shocking to some people, but I had it on power level 9. As you can see, her facial expressions move from time to time, and that's because of the electric current. It's not going to shock you. You're not going to the electric chair and bzzz, or being tased. Don't get crazy. Come on now. You can put it on your skin first or put it on their shoulder and say, hey, this is how it feels. And if it's fine for them, then go for it. Always tell them what they're going to get. And right now, we are doing some wonderful and fantastic ultrasound. Those athletes, they always get injured, kneecap busted out of place or some sort of ankle. When y'all wearing them high heels, you in the club for hours standing on your feet trying to dance and, twerk and whatnot. Like, whoa, how are you standing on those heels in a club? Or a 6-hour work day and say, shit, my ankles are killing me. Or any ligament or strained muscle that's kind of serious. How do you heal it? Ultrasound. So for our face, it's the same thing. We have facial expressions that we hold all day, and our face is on, scream all day or stretch all day, and it's called resting bitch face or RBF, or resting asshole face for men. How men got that scour, that look like they're scolding you, and they got the number 11s in the middle of their head. Like, what the hell's wrong with you? Why are you frowning like this? Why is your corrugator muscle, on the offensive right now? Like, why are you giving me such hostility? Do you need a beat down? Yes. But to calm people's faces, to heal wounds, to move things, our lymphatic system especially, use ultrasound. The gel works perfectly with it, and it warms up. It gets nice and toasty. But it doesn't burn the face at all. It's a great feeling. You want to put somebody to sleep? Hey, your girlfriend or your man's getting on your nerves. Your woman, she needs some act right or go to sleep right. So, hey, baby, let me put this hydro jelly or hyaluronic facial mask on you and give you a nice ultrasound treatment and rub your feet and put your ass to bed. Oh, it works like no other. But what man is really doing that besides me and a few others in this world? Yeah, good luck with that one. I do it. But if you want me to, hey, come and see me. We will work it out. Putting people to sleep should be a mastery skill by every man. Every man should know how to treat his woman or women or women's or however many people you're dealing with, or man's or them or they. Yeah, relax them. Give them a beautiful treatment. You know, soothe the savage beast. And right now we're putting on a little bit more gel to make sure it's nice and slippery and golden. Get that glass skin nice and dewy. Here I am talking about something. I don't know what I'm saying. But let's listen in.
Military bait. Yeah, you're the one that actually does all the grunt work because nobody else is doing it. You don't have robots to do that.
All right, so we put some more gel on, and hey, I want to push that product further into the face. Right here, it can sound like it's little crickets messing around or fucking, as I always say it. Because, yeah, they are. When the crickets are making those or the bed is squeaking, yeah, you're normally getting it in. The crickets are doing the same damn thing. It's the only reason why they make that noise is the mating calls. Yeah, they're trying to get it in. So here, it makes that little noise, but it's okay. It's at a low level. I like this machine because it's at a low level. The other machines, it is annoying. So you're going to have to wear earplugs. You don't have to, but it is a little bit better so you don't keep hearing it. Because when that machine is close to somebody's face or on their ear, yeah, it's really, really annoying up close. So just make sure you have some earplugs. But this one, it makes little noise. I'm like, wow, thank God they perfected that. I think one day they will have an ultrasound that is cricketless. Like you won't hear nothing. I think they're all working on that. So the future is wonderful. Thank God. We have hoverboards now. We got one wheel. Like, damn. You know, when can I ride the hoverboard? Like, damn, I seen that commercial. That thing's like $2,000. Like, who's affording that? Ugh, man, I want one. Anyways, we are now doing the ultrasonic scrubber on the cheeks. You can, if you have acne on the nose, you really want to squeeze out those acne, P acnes underneath the skin. You can use your ultrasonic scrubber to really force it out. But some people don't like that because it is a little aggressive. But if you got that aggressive patient or client, and they be talking too much, press it into their skin to tell them to shut the hell up. Like I'm talking too much now, so they can be quiet. Oh, yeah. Get that product, push it on into the skin. That's right. Be nice and gentle. Show your client some respect. Put some respect on their name and get that bag. They better put some respect on that money in return so we can, get that Red Lobster, cheddar biscuits. Anyways, we're going down the nose. Being careful, being gentle. What if somebody has a nose job? What if somebody has some sort of injections, some sort of fillers, or I don't know, a botched nose job, whatever it is? Make sure you're careful. Have eyelash extensions. They just got their eyelashes done. Be careful. Make sure you don't pull the eyelashes off. Being fast and trying to get the service done. I've had that happen. I've had my beads. I wear like warrior beads sometimes on my right arm or left arm, and somebody's eyelashes got stuck in between the little groove and came off. She was asleep, didn't even know it, and I let her walk out of there with no eyelash. I was like, hey, she's not gonna notice, and she didn't. Jesus, it was a great time. And yeah, but they were fake lashes. They weren't like the real deal, like one by one individuals. Okay, so she made it. We survived. So right now I'm just taking off the cream, or the mask, I should say. Nice and gentle. I didn't have a hot towel and a hot towel cappy, so I'm just using a regular cloth, or not even cloth, but basically cotton towel. It's nice and soft though. I'm gentle. And just have a wonderful facial service. And if you have time to pray over your client or time to talk to them, give them a nice neck and shoulder massage. A European massage is basically just a massage on their neck, shoulder, and arm area, and sometimes feet. And that's what a European massage is, which every service should be. You should be giving a facial and a shoulder massage. Let that mask sit on their face. Give them a shoulder massage, hands, shoulder, neck area, and the feet if you have time. Man, they will come back. I guarantee. It's dreamy. You have good dreams that night. So here, I'm going to sit down and use the sprayer. I like to add an essence or a serum to the face, like a liquid-based serum. Something like it's so powerful and potent. A good toner in the sprayer. You can use all of those, essence, a toner, or something like an essence to where it's like super, super powerful serum and essence, like an ampule. Ampules are very expensive, but they have growth factors, all types of stuff that's really, really great for your skin. And I put it in the bottle, shake it up. Look at it. It's spraying right on the person's face. Oh yeah, it's little specks that spit out. It's little water droplets that hit the skin and hydrates the skin for that internal glass dewy skin to keep you flawless. To help with that trans epidermal water loss. Look at that. Glowing skin, see? I know what I'm doing sometimes. I know. But hey, if you are better than me, it's okay. Make your own videos. Show us your skills so I can learn. Hell, make us better. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. I'm the worst at this. I know. So yeah, I agree with you. So make me better than what I am. There's no better way to teach somebody, who's doing something wrong, is to show them instead of just keep telling them or commenting and doing something crazy. Show me. Your actions speak louder than words. So now I'm applying the essence into the skin, deep into the skin, like really, really massage that face. A facial massage, let me tell you. Let me just tell you something you don't know. Let me tell you. Man, it's like you take off all their stress in the world, all the problems, all the negativity, all the COVID, and all the other bullshit of the world, and it all melts away just from this moment. Their peace is right now. Because they got to go home to them crazy ass kids. And sometimes kids are great. They're not even crazy at all. It's just sometimes you just need to get away from people. Sometimes you don't have a crazy ass husband or boyfriend or girlfriend. You just need to have your peace, your own me time. Even if you have the greatest people or parents or family in the world, you do need your time. Everyone does. And this world is so stressful. There's a lot of suicides and crazy stuff. I'm like, damn, what is really going on in the world? You don't let that affect you. Have your me time so you can de-stress basically. You work too hard to get where you are to take your life or take somebody else's life. It is not worth it. I have a million things against me. Racism, people trying to blow me up, people trying to road rage me every day. Bosses are crazy, people are crazy. I got enough people and problems trying to take me out. I'm not going to just take myself out. That is just horrible. But right now in this world, there's a lot of that going on. I'm just letting you know, be powerful, be strong, hang the fuck in there. It will be all right. Get a facial, get a massage, go on a vacation. Fuck the world. Fuck everybody else. Take care of you. You will be fine. Get some crab legs and some steak and lobster and them scallops and get all that meal. That calamari, that fried calamari at Olive Garden. I know that's not a really true Italian restaurant, but you know what I mean. Hey, treat yourself to the best. Pray about it. It's all going to work out. Get it in, get some good stuff, good loving. Oh, your life will be right. Okay. Have a good, blessed day or night.